Hi everyone, this is Francis from Pixelhue team. I will introduce the HDR function today. Today, more and more customers focus on high-quality image content. Therefore, in order to meet the customer's demand for high-quality content, a new technology has been created. This is the conversion of the HDR and SDR. With the development of the HDR technology, people have higher experimentation and for richer and more vivid move-go-on experiment. This conversion can attract more customers and improve the customer's certification. Our company has invested resources in development advanced HDR to SDR conversion technologies. Therefore, we have a professional research and development team to focus on lead image process techniques and to optimize the hardware equipment to support efficient conversion. Their huge testing will provide conversion technologies to deliver a consistent new high-quality view experiment on SDR device. And we will work with other companies to drive the adoption of the technologies across a variety of media and device platform to meet the customer's demand for view experiments. HDR is a process technologies that improve the image brightness and contrast. The technologies can enrich the details of the every dark part, making the dark place darker and enrich more detailed colors. At the same time, make the whole pictures look more transparent and rich in detail. And also the SDR is a universal standard for the video and the film display. SDRs use the traditional gamma curve symbol to describe an image or video. The traditional gamma curve is limited by the cathode ray tube, so the effect is limited. So first, we need to touch the output port, and then we can see the output display information. Then we can see this one, the dynamic range. So there are SDR and HDR10. And between the SDR and the HDR, we have these following benefits. The first one is brightness. Brightness HDR technologies requires increase the max brightness and reduce the mini brightness of the display device, thereby increasing the light-dark contrast and showing the more detail. The second part is the color gamma. HDR display tend to overwrite the standard with a large color gamma. Some HDR standard definition requires a large color space, such as the BT2020 color gamma, to achieve a large color space coverage area. And also the BT709 and NTSC definition and the display gamma space is also more richer. And the third part is the color depth. HDR can improve the color depth of the display device, thus display more color layers and avoiding the appearance of the color band or color blocks. Traditional display are usually 6 bits or 8 bits display, while the HDR required a bit of depth of 10 bits or even 12 bits. Dynamic mapping. HDR can dynamically adjust the brightness and color according to the different contrast and scenes, so as to be achieved a better and picture effect. Yeah, you can see over here dynamic range. You can change the SDR to HDR over here. And you can see the color of the screen is vivid, and we can show the color of the green and the yellow is more brightness. The advantage of the HDR technologies has been created the field of the video and image. Providing viewers its advantage enhance the brightness, contrast, and colors, making the picture more vivid in highlight, shadow, and color depth. In order to make the full use of the HDR technologies, it's necessary to manage the config device accordingly. Thank you for watching. Please follow our channel.